you just call it when you're going to use it? Because you're
no,
going to help.
so we don't waste 3 Reapers when someone says Reaper now. We just need to have one ready. First couple ready. It's going to be a rough AW though, if 0 people have Reapers.
AOW just casually walking around arena.
Yeah, but the Chen is not running.
Nathan, you in here? Mumble
Met
wise.
the Arquin.
Yeah, I know you are there. I just told Detox you're there, and I told him to tell him his monks to train away the 4-way so you get here. So just kind of be watching for that.
I already started clearing.
Okay.
Do we have somebody who has first Reaper? Alright, I have it.
Sure, if we tell it guy to change his target.
Here it comes. Land heals. Land heals.
Chrome, are you lagging?
A little bit.
There's a 3-second gap right there. Right there.